massive fire and subsequent explosion that erupted on board the Singapore flag container ship MV Wanhai 503 off the coast of Kerala. Now, the vessel that was traveling from Colombo to Mumbai was carrying hazardous cargo, including over 100 tons of highly polluting bunker oil. Now, the fire that reportedly broke out amidst the ship and quickly spread to the container bay just ahead of the accommodation block. While the flames are now largely under control, the vessel has now begun to tilt, and several containers that have toppled into the sea, some of them drifting alarmingly close to the Kerala coastline. Now, the Indian Navy and the Coast Guard have launched joint search and rescue operation with INS Surat and a Dornier surveillance aircraft that have been swiftly deployed. So far, out of the 22 crew members, 18 of them have been rescued, while the search continues for the remaining 4. Two major private firms that have also been roped in to assist with the rescue operation, as this is the Vishwakarma Salvage Private Limited from Gujarat, which is renowned for its expertise in shipbuilding, repair and marine salvage. The second is a Dutch-based SMIT Salvage, a global leader in emergency maritime response, brought in to help manage the crisis and mitigate potential ecological damage. Now, using predictive tools, the Incois oil spill modeling system has projected that in the event of a 100-ton bunker oil spill, the slick could drift parallel to the coastline within just a couple of days. In response, the coastal surveillance has been intensified and public advisories that have also been issued. Residents have been urged to avoid contact with any debris or oil washing ashore and to promptly report any sightings to local authorities. Meanwhile, back home, as political tensions continue to flare up in the wake of the incident, where the Kerala Congress has been accusing Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan of shielding shipping firms involved, claiming that the LDF government has failed to take maritime accidents off the Kerala coast seriously. In response, the left has now dismissed the allegations as a political joke. Now, in another round of breaking update, what we are learning, we have accessed the fresh visuals on board the MV Wanhai 503 off the coast of Kerala. On your screens, that is now being played out, where the rescue and the cleanup operations are taking place. Multiple ships that have also been deployed, where you can see firefighting operations that still continue. Largely what is being said that the fire has been contained, and thankfully no oil spill till now that has been recorded. But still, when it comes to precautionary measures that are now being taken up, and the first and the foremost priority of these teams are to rescue the remaining 4 crew members who are still believed to be trapped in the area where the fire was reported. Now, as far as when it comes to this container ship is concerned, it's been burning for the last few days. However, when it comes to any rescue or survival, seems to be bleak for those crew members, but the operation still continue. First, Arpita, is to douse the blaze and also then to locate the missing crew members.
Well, so it's been 4 days, and till now that the Indian Navy and Coast Guard, they're all trying their best to douse the fire, even though they have claimed, according to the latest situation report that has been released by the Indian Navy and Coast Guard, they claim that over 40% of the blaze has been doused. It has been contained, but the complete fire, they are still trying to douse the fire, and they are working on it. On the other hand, they have also said that the search for 4 missing crew members are still on, and out of the 18 total, 22 crew members were on board, and out of the 18 rescued, 2 still remains to be in hospital, and the other 16 crew members have been shifted to a nearby hotel in Mangalore. Now, the Coast Guard and Navy has clearly said that all their efforts are on. In fact, in coming days, firefighting specialists, international firefighting specialists from Spain, UK and Netherlands are expected to come and help them with firefighting efforts. And they've also said that constantly air sirens are happening. They are constantly monitoring the situation, and what the latest update is that over 40% of the fire has been contained, but they're still trying to completely douse the fire.
On part of the defense PRO that has been shared, that dry chemical powder that also was airdropped to control the fire. Those pictures coming in right now as we speak. For the moment, thank you very much, Arpita, for joining in. In the meantime, let's get you another round of breaking update. What we are learning of drug syndicate